There are very few videos on YouTube of people teaching how to play the beautiful intro solo to Freebird. The reason for it is it's on slide guitar. Guys, you don't need a slide to play these beautiful notes. It's really easy to play. Add this to your repertoire. All right, let's get right into it. I'm going to start just teaching the parts right away. There's a playthrough at the end of the video. There's a chapter called Playthrough. And I promise I won't leave you hanging. I'm going to show you the chords too at the end of the video as well. All right, here we go. 7th fret of the 3rd string. Slide to 12. I recommend you hit both notes. 7, 12. Okay, slide 11 to 12 with that middle finger, and then I pick 11 with my first finger there. Okay, so we've got this. All right, practice that part first. All right, next part. Still in the 3rd string here. Middle finger on 12. I do a pull off here. 12, 12, 11, and then come down to 9. I pick 9, slide to 7. Okay, so we have. All right, now your 3rd finger, slide 9 to 11, and then your 1st finger, slide 7 to 9. Okay, so I like that part. Okay, let me start from the beginning. 2, 3. Pretty fun to play. It's really not that hard, guys. All right, next phrase here. Still on that 3rd string. Use your 1st finger. Do a kind of a quick slide 7 to 9. And then we're going to reach our 3rd finger down for the 4th string, 9th fret. And then slide to 10. Hit that 9 twice and then slide. Okay, so you got this. Now, you can sort of tip your finger over onto the 10 of the 3rd string 3 times, and then I pull to 9 and then back to 10 on 4. Okay, so all right, and then after that you're going to do a big slide all the way down to 5 on the 4th string. Okay, beginning. I usually switch to my middle finger right here on the 4th string, 5th fret, and then 3rd string, 4th fret, 5th fret, all picked notes. And then on the 3rd string, I slide my middle finger, 7, 6, 7. Okay, so you have that cool phrase. And again, feel free, guys. If I say pick the note and you want to slide the note to make it more like the slide, do that. No, just rock and roll. There's no rules. Okay, the very ending of the first phrase. On the slide guitar, he comes all the way up to the 19th fret, but we're not, of course, not going to do that here. Okay, on your 1st string, slide 8 to 10, and then I usually pull off to 8, so I go slide, pull. You can pick that note too if you want to. That totally doesn't matter. Okay, hit the 2nd string, 10th fret, and then do this slide, 1st finger 8 to 10 on the 1st string. Okay, so you get this nice sound. Alright, so that's your first phrase. Let me back up and I'll play that whole first phrase for you. Sounds like this. Now, he basically does it again. He basically does the same thing again, but there's a couple little variations we need to go through. Okay, so after this thing we just did. Okay, now when the 2nd phrase starts, he doesn't start from 7 again. He actually starts right at 11, so it's even easier. So just a nice slide, 11 to 12, and then same phrase, 12 to 11. And then I love this part. He does our same phrase we did before, and then a random slide down the string off that 9. Okay, so that, you can clearly hear that in the song. It sounds so cool, all right? So our 2nd phrase sounds like this. Right, that sounds so cool. Okay, and then it does the same phrase again that we did the first part. That's all the same. And then, okay, identical to the first part. And then in the second time, instead of coming up to this high part, he just does it down here. He goes like this. Okay, and that is to slide on your third string, 6 to 7 to 6, 7 on the fourth string, and then slide 6 to 7 on 3. So, okay, so that's that second part. Let me play that for you. So it goes like this. Kind of a pause there. Those are the parts. Now let me do a playthrough for you with a backing track that I created and just strumming the chords really. It sounds real cool. See if you can keep up with me and play with me. Of course, I would never leave you hanging, not show you the chords of the song. They're real easy. Let me show you. I'll put them on the screen here. Just follow along. The rhythm is more or less just down, down, up, down, down, up. Right? Just that old rock and roll strumming rhythm. All right, the intro is just singles of what I'm about to do. So you just go. Okay, those are the same chords that you see on the string, on the screen there. I'm just going to strum them. Ready, go. Those are the verses. That goes a couple times. And on the part where he says, and this bird you cannot change, it's just your F chord. I like to use this F over C chord. You can do the bar chord if you want, but I like this one. And this bird you cannot change. Okay, that's all it is, really, guys. And then you go back to the first part. Now, the last part you need to know is that underneath the crazy guitar solos at the end, he's strumming these three chords. So it's G, and then a B flat, which is kind of a stinker of a chord, but looks like this. Or you could also do this, if you want to, and then a C chord. Okay, so he's going. Those are the chords of Freebird. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video enjoyable. If you did, please like and subscribe. Quite a few other videos on my channel here I'll link to. I've got some America, some Beatles, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.